Amanda's got a thing about the Scoopy being parked over there in that space because there's lots of room both sides and the bike don't get damaged. So the NMAX just behind this bike here, that's going to get into the Scoopy's place. I don't know why we don't do the NMAX first, and then it don't matter. I just don't know why anymore. So that is the end of the Scoopy getting a wash. Now for the NMAX. Okay, so now it's time for Mad Max to get a clean. The NMAX.
I want clean bin here.
Okay. I've done wheel.
In mad big and use have land dirty, not
Yes.
clean, but dirty.
That's because we use the NMAX more.
Okay,
No, you. It's okay. I'll do it. You got money? I think we only need 10 baht.
Out.
What?
20 or 30.
10?
Out 10 baht. Oh, you didn't tell me 10 baht. Oh, not good. You didn't tell me 10 baht.
I did tell you 10 baht.
I think 30 baht.
Yeah.
If 10 baht, I go Egypt. I go about Saudi because I have 30 baht. Dai ớt, color kim, dai ớt, and color. How well here color? I think the top is
No, not good. Okay, so that's both bikes sorted out. The NMAX looking pretty good. Just got to polish it and dry it, then polish it, and we're done. So that'll be the start of the day with the bike cleaning. Okay, so that's the NMAX finished. Amanda's giving it its final little bit of polish and clean up and dry.
dye and color pink second. Color pink about color. You don't use.
And if you're watching, Jay, Amanda's nearly got your glasses on, look.
Same.
Amanda, you got your glasses? White.
Same.
You sure?
Same, not Jay.
Not
Same.
Jay's? Ah, just same.
60 baht.
60 baht. Okay, so that's Mad Max cleaned. That's the Scoopy cleaned. So that's it for the bike cleaning. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, press the bell, and I will be back with some more junk tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Going on here, we've got about 6 of these redbacks, little beetles, all having sex together. Bit of a swinging party going on. I'll have to show Amanda.